Hello guys, welcome to Way2Freshers. As you know, Way2Freshers is a free job portal for freshers with 8 million followers on LinkedIn, which is the largest page for freshers on LinkedIn in India. So as you know, we are serving since 2015. It's been 9 long years, and we have been helping many freshers from years and years, where many people got placed on LinkedIn. Got placed with many companies by seeing the opportunities listed on way2freshers.com. Hopefully, you will be placed soon, or you will get an opportunity within the job opportunities listed on Way2Freshers. And I would like to request to subscribe this YouTube channel, since we have started this making videos on YouTube very recently. So I would like to request you to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe this channel before starting a job opening. So there are many job openings listed on Way2Freshers. So today we'll pick one job openings, which is Wipro Freshers recruitment for software development role. This is purely for freshers, and we'll just go through the job description and designation also. So Wipro has published a job opening for a software developer role, and the qualification would be bachelor's degree. So they are not expecting any experienced candidate. They are expecting only freshers, and they are expecting a skill set of C, C++, C#, Java, and Python. So this is the skill set they are expecting, and these are the skill set mandatory. If the company is listing a skill set in the first line, means those skills are mandatory. So remember, you need to know C, C++, C#, Java, or Python. At least strong knowledge and proficient knowledge on service now, IT service management. So this is nothing but service now, and if you google something about service now, right, and if you see any free YouTube videos, right, on service now, definitely you would get some knowledge on service now. So that knowledge is enough as a fresher level, and expertise in automation tools and system. Even this also, as an software developer, you need to work on automation things, right? So they're expecting knowledge on automation tools and system, solid understanding of data structures, algorithm, and oops design principles, object oriented design principles. So they're expecting solid understanding of data structures, not experience, but understanding of data structure, DS. When you learn C language, right, you must be learn about data structures also. And SDLC software development life cycle. If you go through, if you have attended any course, right, so you would have already known about software development life cycle, how does it work and everything. And strong debugging and data analysis skills. Strong debugging in the sense, if you have any bugs, right, so you need to debug and know, you debug and find where is the error, and how does the problem or issue happen, error happen in the code. So these are the skills they are expecting. And excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. As a fresher, definitely your communication skills matters. So that is the reason they are expecting excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. So speaking and writing skills also. Writing skills are very much important, because when you when you get into a job, right, so particularly explaining about the work you have done, or any issues you have found on your project or your task, right, you need to clearly mention and send to share to your manager or a higher officials, right? That is the reason people or many companies expect strong written and verbal skills. And you have to work with multinational, you have to work with MNC clients, right? So foreign clients. So that is the reason they expect very sound, strong, and verbal skills. So these are the skill set listed for this particular job opening. And as usual, for a software developer, these skills are mandatory in any company, but the technology changes. They are expecting C, C++, C#. Some expect Java, OOPS concept, and .NET, these kind of skills. But for this role, they are expecting C, C#, and C++, Java, or Python. Strong knowledge, not experience. And if you go through the job description, right, instrumental in understanding the requirements and design of the product or software. You should be very strong enough to understand the requirements and plan to design the product. So you might, so this clearly understand, this clearly says that you have to work on the product, developing of a product. So I may not go through the point by point job description because it is a very long, lengthy job description, and so I can just give you a glimpse on the job description. And the second point is perform coding and ensure optimal software module development. So you need to work on the coding part and ensure optimal, in the sense minimal coding. So companies expect coders with coders who write coding with very short length and give the output. Status reporting and customer focus on an ongoing basis with respect to project and its execution. So whatever the work or whatever the task assigned to you on day by day, right, you need to report or send the status to your manager every day. So, and customer focus on ongoing basis means, so your company might have few customers or clients. You need to focus on the issues or the task mentioned by the clients, and focus on an ongoing basis with respect to the project and its execution. So you need to take the inputs from the customers and work on the development of the project and till the execution. So I'll just go through the last thing, capturing all the requirements and clarifications from the client for better quality work. So every day or bi-weekly or tri-weekly, you will be having client meetings, right? So you need to attend the meetings and take down the requirements mentioned or the clarifications mentioned by the customers, and you need to take down and work on those things, taking feedback on the regular basis to ensure smooth and on time delivery. So taking feedback on the works done from the customer and ensure smooth delivery, on time delivery in the sense completion on time. So, participating in continuing education and training to remain current on best practices, learn new programming languages, and better assist other team members. So, this is nothing but you need to focus on continuous education in the sense. So, let's say if a customer is asking, if the same customer is asking any new technology, you need to focus on learning the technology and implementing the same in completion of the same product. So they are asking if you find anything, right, you need to focus on training the, I mean, learning the new things also. So you should be ready to adopt new technologies and focus on the new things. Document and demonstrate solutions. So this is nothing but taking down all those things, right? Document and demonstrate solutions by developing documentation flow charts. This is nothing but designing of the flow charts and presentation skills. Documenting very necessary details and reports in a formal way for for proper understanding of software from client to. So these are the nothing but preparing necessary details, what are the necessary things for reporting in a formal way. So those things, depending, change company by company. So what are the tools they have on the same thing, you need to report those things and ensure good quality of interaction with customer. So, like I mentioned, you should be having a very great verbal and written skills. I mean, speaking skills also. Customer with the email content and fault report tracking, voice calls. So, when you speak to the customers, also they are expecting good skills and quality interaction also. So you cannot speak on your wish, like whatever you feel inside, right? So you should be very liberal, convincing the customer about the work. Timely response to customer requests and no instances of complaints either internally or externally. So whenever the client asks for the status update, right, you should be able to give those update on time. And these are the skill set and job description mentioned for the software developer role for Wipro. Okay, so and the location is for, they have mentioned the location as Bengaluru, which is in Karnataka state. You should be able to travel and work. They haven't still, as of now, they haven't mentioned about the work type, whether it is a hybrid or remote job. Okay, so please go through the job description here and the skill set. If you feel if you feel you are comfortable, then click on apply now button so that you will be redirected to the company's official page where the job opening is exactly published. so that you will be able to success, I mean you'll be able to send your application successfully. So all the best, guys. So this is about the job description. Daily we'll bring one by one or two jobs every day, or for 2 or 3 days jobs. Okay, so just now we have started the focusing on YouTube also, and we'll be bringing more videos about your skill set. I mean about your skills, or job openings, internship opportunities wherever we find. Okay, all right. Bye bye. Thank you, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.